Woodpecker's newest one-time tool, the ultimate doweling jig, significantly broadens the scope of dowel joinery possibilities, like center holes for face frames, offset holes for 1/8 inch reveals, and double hole offsets for robust T-joints and miter joints. Furthermore, it can be used for non-doweling chores like drilling precisely spaced and aligned rows of shelf pin holes. Our jig is certainly the brawniest one you've ever seen. Thick aluminum, beefy stainless steel, and solid brass produce a rock-solid foundation that will not distort when applying full clamping pressure to your stock. You can be sure your dowel holes are drilled dead nut square. This baby weighs in at more than 4 pounds, and that doesn't even include the end stop, edge guide, and attachment bars. The ultimate doweling jig comes with hardened stainless steel drill guide bushings mounted in the 1/2 inch thick by 4 1/4 inch wide by 7 inches long solid aluminum base plate. Drill guide bushings come in 2 sets of 4 in both 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch diameters. Also available in optional 5, 6, 8, and 10 millimeter diameters as well. Guide bushings travel in a slot in the base plate and are always perfectly spaced thanks to the innovative stainless steel cam plate. The cam plate features a scale and pointer that indicates hole center spacing. The spacing range is 3/4 inch to 1 1/4 inch. Below the base plate are a fixed clamping jaw and a unique adjustable jaw. Stainless steel and brass clamping screws are fitted to the fixed jaw and can be used in 3 different positions for holding narrow or wider stock. The jig holds stock up to 2 3/8 inch thick. The adjustable jaw can be set for either centered or offset hole drilling. Perfectly spaced double rows of dowels are not only possible, they're easy. Jaw adjustment is achieved by selecting one of 4 jaw faces, A, B, C, and D, and where the face is positioned on the base plate. Face A and C allow 1/16 inch adjustments, and face B and D allow 1/32 inch adjustments. Proper positioning is guaranteed thanks to engraved scales on the base plate and matched serrated grooves milled into the base plate and jaw. And once the jaw is fastened in place, the grooves prevent unintentional movement of the jaw. The adjustable clamping range from hole center is from 1/4 inch to 1/13/32 of an inch. The ultimate doweling jig adjustable end stop delivers repeatable perfection. It functions in 3 different ways: front face for tall boards, notch corner for longer boards, and with the round pin installed for offsets less than 2 inches. It's the perfect solution for drilling precisely aligned holes in mating pieces. Think drilling face frames for joining end grain rails to edge grain stiles. The end stop is primarily used at the end of the jig in combination with 4 3/8 inch by 12 inch long stainless steel attachment bars that easily thread together for extension up to 48 inches. They can also be attached to the side of the jig for other applications. Easy-to-read laser-engraved scales are on the bottom of the base plate for setting the end stop to the hole center of the drill guide bushing, which is reflected by the 0 line. Either mark your first hole location on your board and align it to the 0 mark, or use the scale and align the board's edge to the desired distance. Yet another unique feature is the adjustable edge guide. A major limitation of all other doweling jigs is they only work near the edge of the workpiece. Woodpecker's ultimate doweling jig sports an adjustable edge guide that blows this challenge out of the water.
Are you looking for a saw that'll deliver precision and accuracy in hard-to-cut sheet materials? Then you're ready for the Makita SP6000J 6.5 inch plunge circular saw. A saw that's ideal for ripping and cross-cutting sheet materials and engineered to provide you precise, splinter-free cuts. The SP6000J is built with superior features designed to deliver best-in-class accuracy, versatility, and performance. The saw features a precision cutting system, which includes dual bevel supports to keep the saw squared to the material, and is engineered to keep the line of cut in exact position regardless of the angle of the bevel. The precision cutting system ensures precise cuts and saves setup time. The SP6000J has a bevel cutting capacity of 1 to 48 degrees with positive stops at 22.5 and 45 degrees. Adding to the precision cutting capabilities is the quick depth stop feature. To achieve a precise cut, set the depth to 1/16 of an inch by activating the Quick Depth Stop button. Well, this allows you to score the surface across the material. Then release the Quick Depth Stop setting and make the final cut. The SP6000J can make a close-to-the-wall cut of only 11/16 of an inch for expanding applications. At the heart of the system is the optional guide rail that accommodates the saw's base with zero play. The durable aluminum rails are available in 55 and 118-inch lengths for either cross-cut or rip cuts on a variety of sheet materials. The Makita guide rails also accommodate other saw brands. Along the end of the guide rail is a splinter guard strip that serves as an exact cut line. The replaceable non-slip scripts on the bottom of the guide rail will reduce shifting of the guide rail while cutting. For an increased grip, simply slide the optional clamps into the T-slots on the bottom of the guide rail, securing them against the workpiece. Once the guide rail is positioned on the line of cut, place the SP6000J onto the track. Then remove any play by adjusting the cams at the front and rear of the saw's base. This will help create a precise and splinter-free cut. Makita has built the SP6000J circular saw with state-of-the-art electronic and mechanical features that'll reinforce Makita's legacy of best-in-class engineering. The SP6000J uses precision machine magnesium for the blade case, gear housing, and base. Exceeding industry-standard machine specifications, the SP6000J weighs only 9.3 pounds, making it the lightest saw in its class. The large two-finger trigger and the ergonomic rubberized handle provide additional comfort. The SP6000J has a soft start feature for smooth startups and a variable speed control dial for optimum performance in a variety of soft and hardwood materials. The electronic speed control and powerful 12-amp motor are designed to maintain constant speed under load, even under hard and thick materials, creating a smooth and splinter-free cut every time. The saw comes in a stored system case that protects the saw and is easy to store and carry. With the SP6000J, Makita has delivered a saw capable of performing precise, accurate, and straight cuts that'll change the way professionals and serious building do-it-yourselfers cut large sheets of materials. From the likely magnesium components to the splinter-free precision bevel cuts, powerful 12-amp motor, and ergonomic rubberized grip, the SP6000J is destined to become a favorite among professional woodworkers. Get into the plunge circular saw technology today.